Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a payment card to YouTube, step by step. This process allows you to easily make purchases or subscribe to channels. First, you will need to navigate to your YouTube account settings. Then, we will locate the section for payment methods. After that, we will carefully enter all the necessary card information. Finally, we will review everything to ensure accuracy and save your card for future use. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. To begin, open YouTube on your computer or mobile device. Once you are on the YouTube homepage, look for your profile picture, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Purchases and Memberships. Within this section, you will find a dedicated area for managing your payment methods, which is exactly where we need to be to add your card. Now that you are in the Payment Methods section, click on the button that says Add Payment Method or Add Credit or Debit Card. You will then be prompted to enter your card details. Start by typing in your full 16-digit card number. Next, provide the card's expiration date, including both the month and the year. Don't forget to enter the 3-digit or 4-digit CVV security code, usually found on the back of your card. Finally, input your billing address accurately. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have entered. It is crucial to double-check your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit or 4-digit CVV security code for accuracy. Also, ensure that the billing address you provided exactly matches the address associated with your payment card. Once you are confident that everything is correct, click the Save or Submit button. Your payment card will then be successfully connected and ready for use on YouTube.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.